Students, as you all know that we are continue with our revision work. Okay, as you know that our school is going to conduct first terminal examination. Okay, so yesterday in the video we have discussed our chapter number 1. Now we are going to discuss our chapter number 3, and that is water resources. And from this chapter number 3 we have to do only map work. Okay, no textual reading, not other things. We have to do only map skill of this chapter number 3. So in map skill we are going to discuss major rivers and dams. So attend this video very carefully. Okay, students, in the beginning I am taking this I have given the numbering to these particular dams, like you can see 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so that you will be feel better in understanding. Okay, so in the beginning I am taking this Bhakra Nangal dam. This and the symbol of these dams are just small circle. Okay, this small circle is the symbol of a dam. So this is Bhakra Nangal dam. Okay, students, and this and many times students think that it's a single dam, but let me tell you that this dam has two branches. One is Bhakra and the second is Nangal. Okay, Bhakra dam and the other one is Nangal dam. But majorly in collective form it is known as Bhakra Nangal dam. And Bhakra dam is located in Himachal Pradesh and Nangal dam is located in Punjab. Okay, students. Now number 2 we have Tehri dam. And Tehri dam has been built across the Ganga river. On number 3 we have Naraora dam. What is Naraora dam? Okay, now take just number 4. On number 4 we have Rana Pratap Sagar dam. What is Rana Pratap Sagar dam? This one. Okay, and on number 5 we have Gandhi Sagar dam. This is Gandhi Sagar dam. Okay, students. Now let's take number 6. Number 6 is Kota Barrage dam. But it is Kota Barrage dam. Okay, on number 7 we have these dams. This is number 7, Tilaiya dam. On number 8, Konar dam. On number 9, Panchet dam. And on number 10, Methon dam. Students, these dams are very close to each other, and all these dams have been built across the Damodar river. Oh, this is our Damodar river. You can see then all these dams have been built across the Damodar river. Okay, now see number 11. Number 11, it is Rihand dam. Okay, on number 12 we have Sardar Sarovar dam. Students, this Sardar Sarovar dam has been built across the Narmada river in Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar dam has been built across the Narmada river in Gujarat. Okay, has been built across the Narmada river. This is our Narmada river, you can see, and this dam is located in Gujarat. On number 13 we have Paravara dam, and this dam has built across the Godavari river, and this dam is located in Maharashtra. Okay, this Paravara dam, it has been located in Maharashtra, and it has been built across the Godavari river. Now see number 14. Number 14 is Konya dam. What is Konya dam? And you can identify easily that this dam has been built across the Krishna river. Okay, across the Krishna river. On number 15 we have Nagarjuna Sagar dam. But we have Nagarjuna Sagar dam. Okay, on number 16 we have Tungabhadra dam, and Tungabhadra dam has been built across the Tungabhadra river. As you can see, this is our Tungabhadra river. So this is our Tungabhadra dam. On number 17 we have Meter dam. On number 18 we have Periyar dam. Okay, students, Meter dam and Periyar dam. You can easily identify that this Meter dam has been built across the Kaveri river. This is our Kaveri river. And on number 18 we have Periyar dam. And student, let me tell you more information about Periyar Dam on number 18. Periyar Dam is also known as the Mulla Periyar Dam. Mulla Periyar Dam. And what is the location of this dam? It is located on Periyar River in Kerala. It is located on Periyar River in Kerala. Okay, students. And just see number 19. On number 19, we have Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam, and this dam has been built across the, you can see this is our Mahanadi river. So this dam has been built across the Mahanadi river. Okay, students. So in this manner, we have seen 19 dams in the different states of our India. Okay, students, and these dams have been built across the different rivers. So students, this is the map work of our chapter number 3. Map work of our chapter number 3, water resources. And what we have discussed in this map, we have discussed the name of major dams. Along with that, we have discussed the name of major rivers also. So I will send you the PDF also of this map. Okay, students, so prepare this map in a very careful manner for your September examination. Okay, for the practice, you have to take your one on map, okay, take your own map and just locate all the dams so that a better understanding can take place. Okay, students. Thank you, students. Have a good day.